Good morning, children. Today we are going to talk about parts of a sentence. So today's topic is parts of a sentence. Parts of a sentence, it has two parts, subject and predicate. Let us see what is subject and what is predicate. Subject. A subject it is said to be when a sentence has two parts. What is a sentence? Let me make you clear. A sentence which has a meaningful sense, a collection of words which gives a complete sense, that is called a sentence. So children, a sentence has two parts. First one is subject and second one is predicate. What is subject? The naming part of the sentence gives the name of the person, animal or thing doing the action, that is called subject. The topic of the sentence, when it includes who or what the sentence is about. Means the sentence talks about whom or what. That will be called the subject or the naming part of the sentence. The sentence contains always a noun or pronoun. Let us see with the help of an example here. The boy is sleeping. The naming part or the subject is the boy. Why the boy? The boy whom it is talked about in the sentence. An action part or the predicate is sleeping. The action is sleeping. That's why it will be called a predicate part. Predicate. What is predicate? The action part of the sentence contains the doing or being word or other information. This is called the predicate. The part of the sentence that tells something about the subject or what the subject does. Means main thing subject and all information about the subject clears predicate. Means predicates clears you that what the subject is doing. The predicate always contains a verb. Let us see with the help of an example. Tina bought a book. Tina is the subject here or naming part and predicate is bought a book. You can see here Tina is a girl, she is a subject and about whom talked about in the sentence, that is subject, and predicate means what Tina is doing here. What she does? Bought a book. She has bought a book. This is the predicate part. So once more I want to make you understand. Every complete sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. The subject is the who or what the sentence is about. Means the sentence is talked about whom. That will be called the subject. And what is predicate? It tells what the subject does. Means action of the subject referred to. How can you differentiate between the subject and predicate easily? Children, always remember that one way to identify the subject and predicate easily. You keep in your mind always the subject has a noun or pronoun and the predicate, it will contain a verb in addition to a possible modifier. Let us see the example here, subject and predicate. Subject, I. I is the subject here and predicate is want a new car. About whom talked about here? I. What I want? I want a new car. The action word is want here and rest part of the sentence a new car. So subject will be I and predicate will be want a new car. Hope you all have understood very clearly, children. So thank you.